How to utilize the hidden menu for custom settings. We have discussed the feature and use case of custom settings and how it can help you manage and automate your revenue and payout structure. Lurking on your screen's 3 humble vertical dots hold handy secrets. Tap this kebab menu to unlock convenient shortcuts and customize your experience. In this video, we will discuss the hidden menu for custom settings and how you can make this feature your best friend. First, navigate to Offers and Custom Settings. You can view different types of custom settings by selecting the tab at the top of the page. For this video, we will focus on payout and revenue. To the right side of each custom setting, you will notice a button with 3 vertical dots. This is the hidden menu option that we will cover in this video. Starting from the top, Edit will allow you to move to the custom setting creation page where you can make changes. When you click the Copy button, you will be taken directly to the page for creating a new custom setting. The form will be pre-populated with all of the same configurations as the original setting you copied. Only the name will be different with copy included. Delete will delete the custom setting you selected. Note that deleting a custom setting will erase its existence from your instance and you will no longer be able to locate this custom setting. Lastly, History will display the changes made to the custom setting you selected. The History menu can provide insight into what changes were made, when, by whom, and even the IP address. The Copy for Offers and Copy for Partners buttons do exactly what they say. When you click one of these buttons, you will be prompted to select the offers or partners to copy the custom settings to. This is especially useful if you have a custom setting for a partner that you wish to apply across multiple offers instead of manually creating each one. Test for Collisions is the latest addition to the hidden menu family. Clicking this button allows the system to search the existing custom settings and if any will interfere with the one you are testing for. This is a great way to ensure that your custom settings will work properly, which can be difficult if more than one is present in an offer. And that's it. We have reviewed the hidden menu for custom settings. You can now edit, copy, delete, or view the history of custom settings, as well as copy them for offers or partners and test for collisions.